MacVoices is sponsored by MintMobile. Cut your wireless bill down to just $15 a month with unlimited nationwide talk and text. Visit mintmobile.com/MacVoices to learn more and to get your kit shipped to your door for free. MacVoices is in Las Vegas for CES and ShowStoppers. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, I don't think we've ever had a screen protector manufacturer on the show, but I wanted to have Diamond Dog on to show you and what they have and talk a little bit about screen protectors and why they're so important. Wendell is going to help us out. Wendell, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you. So to the point of not having screen protectors, most screen protectors are pretty run-of-the-mill. This product, Diamond Dog Screen Protectors, has a technology called diamond clad coating. So that's a diamond-like carbon coating that provides a scratch performance of sapphire at a fraction of the cost. So our mission here is to bring the ultimate screen protectors into the market, where most screen protectors are very kind of run-of-the-mill.
So I don't want to get too geeky on this because we'll have people fall asleep, but how do you go about this process? What makes this so special versus the screen protectors you see that are, a dime a dozen?
Okay, so a little background. The parent company for Diamond Dog, Intevac, is a tech company in Silicon Valley. We've been doing protective and optical coatings for over 25 years, over 100 patents, and we've applied that technology into the screensaver market. And what makes it different is that instead of just having a oleophobic coating, the anti-smudge coating, we actually put a hard diamond coating down before that. And that allows the glass to perform the same as sapphire and still have a much, much lower cost than if it was pure sapphire.
Any issues with applying this and maybe more importantly, getting it back off should something really bad happen to it?
No, we've included it with our product, a very simple window applicator. And they're demonstrating it over here and putting them on. We've got links to the website where you can go and see how it's done. And as far as peeling them off, you have to get them on the edge and peel them up just like any other. But we do have an advanced adhesive that allows us to not interfere with any of the touchscreen functionality.
Understood. What kind of pricing are we talking about for these?
$29.95 is where we're putting them on the market. They're online, and well less than half the price of some of the sapphire-like protective coatings.
And you have these obviously for all the phones, for iPads and tablets as well, or are you not there yet?
The coating is absolutely applicable anywhere you have a display cover glass application. We're starting with the iPhones and then we're rolling from there, but that's certainly an opportunity for us in the future.
Great. Wendell, thanks so much, and I should ask one more time the website, please.
It's mydiamonddog.com.
Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you.
Folks, we'll have more from CES and ShowStoppers. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Facebook group or like our Facebook page, and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices Magazine, free on Flipboard and on the web. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us through either our Patreon campaign at patreon.com/MacVoices or by making a one-time donation via the PayPal link on our front page and in the show notes of each episode. You will join these fine people who help bring you Mac Voices. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.